And if this disappoints you, well, you're just going to have to learn to live with disappointment.
Whoop! See my new house shoes? I hate when I put my feet in the picture. That's horrible. It reminds me of Bobby. Oh, we gotta stop this and start again.
You shall not pass.
Well, hey, looky there. What's that? That's an amber fruit jar. Made by Ball. If you want to look for something, look for those. They should be coming out this spring. Somehow I managed to come across a few early, it seems like. I sold all 4 of them in 24 hours for $9.99 plus shipping for each jar. The pack of 4 cost $12, up from last year when they were $10. I only bought the one package, so of course they sell out fairly quickly. I did go attempt to find some more of these and the green ones too. Strike 1. Strike 2.
You shall not pass.
We're at Dollar General number 3. You're just going to have to take my word on it. I had to park out to the side. Strike 4, and I almost left the phone in the shopping cart. What was this? Strike 5, I think? Well, my leg's hurting. I'm starting to have trouble walking. And I'm getting a little bit discouraged. So we're just going to call it. Don't eat the box, son. So anyway, we're going to get these packed up. This is going to be a mini Bolo for today. Just a real short film. I'll let you know to be on the lookout. They make different colors. If you can find the purple, green, there's a blue. This year there's going to be an aqua. I'm not sure how good of a seller the aqua is going to be, but then again, I didn't think these would sell well. So what do I know? This has been Man Mountain Link. Appreciate you watching.
Yes, I'm getting it now. You are? No.
Man Mountain Link has once again totally outdone himself.